I didn't see you there. So, welcome to Jome Slow-Mo. And have you ever wondered what it'd be like if plastic, fruit, and water combined? That's obviously you know. But, we're here to show it to you anyway. Enjoy.
Okay, so here let's watch. Okay. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. So basically, those are plastic fruits. They're the grapes. It looks like I placed it in there, but I actually didn't. It was just, we put it in reverse and then slow motion.
And don't try this at home because it's messy.
Well, you can, because we did. But just do what we did, like put towels there. And I like how it like takes away the little like wet spots on the floor. Look, it like takes a lot away there. And the last one takes away all the water. And it should.
I feel like I have something to say, but I don't.
Okay, and that was it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.